hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m.
Hey Morty.
What's up, Liv?
How are you getting home?
Noah's picking me up.
I'm so done with this party. Can I get a ride?
Yeah, I'll ask him right now. He's pulling up right here.
Okay.
Yo, Noah, is it chill? Liv gets a ride?
Yeah, for sure. Hop in, bro.
Dude, that party sucked.
You guys read.
I was wondering, so we're completely out of beer, and I was wondering if you could get more beer for us.
Okay.
Because we really need beer.
Okay, I can't drive, but if you give me money, I can find someone to drive.
Yeah, I can pay you for
Okay,
it.
yeah. Just gather up some money and then we can go.
Just find someone sober to drive.
Okay, yeah. Hey, do you want to action?
Yeah, sure.
Are you like okay to drive?
Yeah, I have a game tomorrow, so I've only got like 2 or 3.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Does anybody else have cash?
I can Venmo.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna get beer right now?
Hey, you want to go?
Can I come and get food?
Yeah, sure. Who's driving? That's
I
fine.
can Venmo if you need.
Cole's
Have you
driving.
even drinking? Cole, you
Yeah,
did?
I'm fine. I have a game tomorrow. I've got like 2. I'm good. I'm good. Actually, we have to watch something. Dude, Cal, I'm fine. Let's go.
He's fine.
Hey, Rob, we'll be back. We're gonna do it. Right.
Let him know if you guys want to.
Hey, see you soon.
How about you?
Dude, it was fun at first. So many random people showed up. Started kicking people out.
Yeah, so tired. I just want to go home.
Can we go to In-N-Out?
No.
Tate, In-N-Out.
I want to go to In-N-Out so bad.
In-N-Out is nowhere near X Miles.
Make fake.
We're not going to In-N-Out. What do you do with the light? So Tate, why don't we get an extra mile and then you just like walk to Chipotle or something?
Cool. But we go with the light.
That's like
Yo, you guys want to get some food?
Yeah, let's go on to Foster's.
Pretty soon. Stupid.
Pretty soon.
No, watch out!
San Ramon Valley 911, what is the address of your emergency?
Hi, I'm at San Ramon Valley High School. I really need someone. I've just been in a really bad accident. Please hurry up and come.
Okay, where at the high school are you?
Like right on the football field.
Okay, tell me. Okay, we're going to be on the way, okay? Can you tell me exactly what happened?
It's like a head-on collision. I don't know. My friend, he was just driving, and he can't move.
Oh, okay, we're going to get you some help, okay? I have an ambulance started to help you. I'm going to ask you some questions while they're on the way. How many vehicles are involved?
Just